video because I'm in pastel pink hair. Like, I never thought in a million years that I would have pink hair. Like, never thought in a million years that I have pink hair. Like, it's crazy to look at myself that I'm in pink hair. Like, it's wild. You can tell this wig look crazy on my hair right now, but I'm doing a review on this wig and we're just gonna get into it. I just want to show y'all how it looks like. So this is the wig. It is a lace front wig and the lace is super soft. Like, if you can get into this hair detail, it is super soft. So it does have combs. It has 1, 2, 3 combs, and then it has 3 combs in the front. There's no combs in the back, but there is adjustable straps. It is a lace front. This is the parting, but that's the parting of the wig. It is really, really curly, and it's like a bob. It's like a bob. I am planning to straighten it on. It's not black roots. It's a pretty color. It's like a brownish, grayish, pinkish color. So it came in this baggie, and I did get on Amazon Prime, and they came with a wig cap, a cone, and 2 pink duck clips, which I will be using to do my hair. Thank you, Yebo, for sending me this hair. Let's adjust this. Okay. So, this is a lace front. The hair did not take that long to come. $35.90. It's like, I think it says a 13 by 3. So, it's like 3 inches deep. Because the parting goes pretty deep. It goes really deep. Let me see. I don't think I'm going to pluck it. Because I might pluck it a little bit when it's time to do the baby hairs. But yeah, that's how it looks. Alright, so I'm going to just apply the wig on. I guess y'all could just watch me apply the wig on. These little scissors, I hope y'all can see that I'm going to be using these little scissors to do it. So yeah. Start off small. Off. So there it goes. That's how it looks. And then I'm trying to see if I want to put like, no, it's still too much lace. I don't want too much lace at all. At all. See, feels right behind my ear pretty good, which is good. But I do not want a lot of lace. No, it's to fit me in 355 and coconut, and I feel like it'll match my scalp color well. So I'm gonna get Got to Be Glue styling gel in the black bottle, and just gonna apply it. Ooh. I'm gonna get my Got to Be Glue, the freeze spray, the yellow bottle. Minutes. I'm gonna let it dry for 5 and 10 minutes, and then I'll be back because I want it to be really lace, so when I do my baby hairs it won't be poking up. All dry, so now I'm just gonna give y'all baby hairs. some powder for my party. Oh. Yeah, they made the part open up. So here, dolls, this is the finished product. Let me see how it look like. So this is the finished product of the hair all straightening. I love it. What y'all think? This is like the length. I want to show you the length of the hair. So this is like the side. It's like a rose gold pink. Like when it's like curly, it's like pastel pink. But like when you straighten it, it's like a rose gold pink. So let me show you the back of the hair. So this is how the back looks like. It's so freaking gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I've been dying to get pink hair for the longest. And like when this company, when they contact me to do this hair review, I was like pink. And then when they showed me like when it was curly state, I already knew. I already had a vision in my head of how I wanted this hair to look.